Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. This is just a quick video. Cbex is a Nigerian investment platform that just shut down. Also, Cameroon has a platform called Sunrun. It also shut down some months ago. I want to give you a 1 or 2 cent knowledge, if at all you can listen. Now, we used to have a lot of platforms, right, where people go there, they invest their money while they are sleeping, and the thing is multiplying itself for them, and they are making money from this platform. I'm going to give you read on the site. I'm going to tell you what Cbex is all about, and then what Sunrun is all about in a quick. They just listen to me. I remember when I started my business, there was a bank around my environment. That time we used to have Bitcoin. Is it Bitcoin? I think it's Bitcoin. We used to have Bitcoin. The manager controlling or running that bank took all the funds that were in that bank and invested it in Bitcoin. And within the first 2, 3, 4 days, he came and told me, oh, I've just withdrawn my profit, it is working and all that. I'm like, okay, fine, that's good. He came and met me and he told me about it. He was like, Madam Steph, just bring, let's say, 1 or 200,000 francs, let me invest it, and when currency go up, I will sell it and then I'll return your money back while the money will be there, right? The money will be there working itself. I'll just be withdrawing my profit. Not too long after that, what happened? That platform shut down. They will start telling you network issues, you can't log into your wallet, you can't go this, that, and all that. A lot of times people will meet me and they'll ask me, where do you think I can invest my money? What investment options do you have for me to put in my money? And I will tell them, you can invest your money in real estate. You can never go wrong with it. What will happen at the end of the day is that you buy a piece of land, you will build a house. So with real estate, if you build a house, at the end of the day, if a tenant is not in that house for maybe 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, you'll be losing by your profit and not your capital. Your capital will still be intact, though you're losing your profit, right? Now, with all these online platforms where you are going to invest your money there and you sleep at home, why, the money is making profit for you. I always ask, what are you selling on that platform? What are you buying? They'll be telling me, we are selling currency, we are trading currency. You buy when the currency is low and then you sell when exchange rate is high. And I'm like, I cannot advise any of my family members, my friends, or even my relatives to do that kind of a thing, because tomorrow there's no way you are going to go back there and ask your money. For example, this Sunrun, they had a main office, I think in Douala. I have people that I know, the one-on-one, right? They went there and the office, even the physical office, was shut down. Website shut down. This is what Nigerians are currently experiencing right now. A lot of people invested their money in Cbex. I've been seeing it on Facebook. Some people are crying of 2 million, some are crying of 3 million. Whereas if you had bought a piece of land by now, the value would have doubled. So what I'm just trying to say is that stop investing your money into all these online schemes, online gambling, because that's why I consider them under gambling. Yes, you just go and create an account, go to the bank, create an account with your ID card, do this, do that. You think because you go to the bank with your ID card to create an account, it is legit? It is not legit. So if you are been into this kind of situations where you've been scammed before highly, drop a comment in the comment section. Let other people learn from it. And if you're still planning to invest your money, there are a lot. I don't want to be calling their names that I know. I have some people that I even know them where they are putting their monies there. They'll tell you, I don't want to work a 9 to 5, I don't want to do business, it's so difficult, better let me just put my money here and be sleeping while my money is working for me. So to conclude, I'll just try to say, I'm advising a lot of people, all these 18 to about 35 years, stop investing your money in all these online schemes. Stop putting your money there. All this online currency, this currency, that. Stop putting your money there. Stop putting your money there. A lot of these schemes. It's just that I'm just doing this video a kind of quick one. We don't even have light. My phone is low. Just to create an awareness. Stop putting your money, because now that this one has closed down, in the next 1 to 3 months, they'll go and change their name and they'll come up with another one. You still go and invest your money in it. They'll still go, they'll create another one, they will come back, and they are still going to do, or your money will disappear. So by tomorrow, I'm going to do a detailed video talking more about what this Cbex of a platform was all about and how it was working. And for Cameroon, I'll do more research. I'll tell you what this your Sunrun of a thing was all about, so that you can also learn more about it. So for now, it's just a quick advice video. Please, there are other investment options you can do. Go to the bank, buy bonds, buy shares. Buy bond, buy shares. The interest rate might be low. The interest rate, right? The interest rate might be low. The interest rate might be small, because these people, they come and promise you high interest rate, and that's what motivates you to go there and put your money there. But now when you go to the bank, they'll tell you their interest rate is this point, this, and you'll be like, it's too small, right? But you will choose to go for platform where they have high interest rate with high risk. There are a lot of investments with low risk. So if you're interested, you let me know. I can share some of these investment options for you that have low risk, where you can actually invest your money into it. And until now, if you know about this Cbex or Sunrun, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you definitely maybe tomorrow in a proper updated video. Ashaya, Unashia.